Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is a routine page, basically a page for routines. And what I'll be doing is I've taken this photocopy that I did, that I had in my stash, and I thought I was going to use it for something, but I haven't really used it for anything. So I just wanted to take a page that I have, just to recycle it and to do a page on a routine. What I'm going to be doing this routine page for, it doesn't work on a day-to-day date. It'll be working on just on the days. So I'll be doing Monday to Friday, and I will be putting basically kind of notes here that I'll be writing in pencil. And basically this page will be something for the long term that I wanted to use, so that I could just use it for day-to-day routines. This is also will be kind of notes as well, how I develop my day and what I actually do for my routine. Also, I'll be just fixing these pages up a little bit. I'm going to just fix on the side of the page here. I'm just going to put a white strip just to even it out, and I'll be looking to see what kind of boxes or boards I'm going to put on here, and just to see how I can develop it. This is quite an easy project to do. It's not very difficult. It's just putting it together and to make something useful. I'm not going to show you all the detail. I'm just going to show you some of the work that I'm doing, and then you can see the overall page. With the actual pages that I'd already put ring reinforcers on, just so that it makes it stronger, so because it's going to get a lot of use, and so I need it just to make the page stronger. Here what I'll be doing is I'm just going to put some grid paper onto the actual backs of this page, so that I can do some notes and just build it up as I go along. Here I've done the pages on the back, and this is how the page is going to kind of look overall. And this is what I'll be using. It's a very basic page, and it's just something easy I wanted to do. Now I'm going to find blocks for it so that I can put it in my planner. Here I have photocopied some block pages, which I will probably be using. This paper marked a little bit, as you can see. So the paper's not really made for photocopying, but I tried it anyway, and I can use some of these blocks. I'm not sure which blocks I'm going to use, so I'll be using some of them. Well, here is my finished pages. Basically what I'm going to be doing is, on my routine pages, I'll be doing a list of all the things that I need per day. It's not actually a fixed page. I'm probably going to put this in pencil so that I can erase it easily, and I will be then moving this page around basically with all the other planners. It's just for me to start a routine page. I started a routine page, but it wasn't working very well because it was changing constantly. The other thing is, when I do a routine page, I'm going to just leave the routine as it is, so whatever happens, so if my whole week changes, or my coursework changes, or there are any other changes that I have to do, I will just keep the routine as it is and just change it as I go along. Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday are kind of my important days, so I've actually put those days as being really important, and Thursday and Friday. I don't really do a lot of routines on Saturday and Sunday. I kind of do a lot of family stuff, which interests me a lot more. So that's what I do on Saturday and Sunday. I have done a note section for Saturday and Sunday. So if it should change and I need to have a better routine for these days, then I have a note section where I can do that. But I think it'll be probably a lot of family stuff. It'll probably be about TV watching, and it'll just be about having lunches and that sort of thing. So it's just very basic pages, and I will see how this works. I'm quite pleased with the simplicity of it. It's just a very simple page to do, and it's something that I can utilize quite easily. These pages will also be, like I say, go to other planners. If I move all my information to new planners or other planners, this will just go with, and then I will work out a routine. Who knows, maybe later on I will change this page to look more interesting, but at the moment this is how my day works. And as you can see, it's quite simple. I haven't decided what I'm going to do next on the video, so when I do the next video, I will just see what I can do there. I just want to say thank you for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe, it would be really great. So see you the next time, and thanks very much. All the best.